Welcome to Stockholm, Sweden, a city of stunning architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture. But before we dive into the top 10 things to do here, let me ask you a quick question. Do you know what the most visited museum in Stockholm is? Stick around to find out. Stockholm, the capital of Sweden, is a city that perfectly balances old-world charm with modern innovation. With its picturesque islands, historic buildings, and cutting-edge design, Stockholm offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, this city has it all. But before we dive into our list, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Now let's dive into the top 10 best things to do in Stockholm, including must-see attractions, hidden gems, and unique experiences. Number 1. Visit the 𝐂𝐤𝐻𝐤 Museum. First up, the answer to our earlier question. The most visited museum in Stockholm is the 𝐂𝐤𝐻𝐤 Museum. This maritime museum is home to the Vasa, a 17th century warship that sank on its maiden voyage and was salvaged in remarkably good condition. It's a fascinating glimpse into Sweden's naval history. Number 2. Explore Gamla Stan. Next, wander through Gamla Stan, Stockholm's old town. This charming area is filled with narrow cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and cozy cafes. Don't miss 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤, the main square, and the Royal Palace, one of the largest palaces in Europe. Number 3. Take a boat tour of the archipelago. Stockholm is built on 14 islands, and the surrounding archipelago boasts over 30,000 more. A boat tour is the perfect way to explore these stunning islands, offering breathtaking views and a peaceful escape from the city. Number 4. Visit Skansen Open-Air Museum. Skansen is the world's first open-air museum and zoo, showcasing Sweden's history and culture. Here, you can wander through traditional Swedish houses, watch folk dancing, and see native Nordic animals like reindeer and bears. Number 5. Experience modern art at Moderna Museet. For art lovers, Moderna Museet is a must-visit. This modern art museum features works by Picasso, Dali, and other contemporary artists. It's a place where creativity and inspiration abound. Number 6. Stroll through Djurgården Island. Djurgården is a lush, green oasis in the heart of Stockholm. This island is home to several attractions, including the 𝐂𝐤𝐻𝐤 Museum, Skansen, and 𝐂𝐿und Lund Amusement Park. It's perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. Number 7. Discover the ABBA Museum. ABBA fans, rejoice! The ABBA Museum is a fun and interactive tribute to Sweden's legendary pop group. Sing along with holograms of the band, see their iconic costumes, and immerse yourself in their music. Number 8. Enjoy the views from Monteliusvägen. For some of the best views of Stockholm, head to Monteliusvägen. This scenic walking path offers stunning panoramic views of Lake Mälaren and the city skyline, especially beautiful at sunset. Number 9. Indulge in Swedish cuisine at Östermalms Saluhall. Foodies will love Östermalms Saluhall, Stockholm's historic food hall. Here, you can sample traditional Swedish dishes like herring, gravlax, and meatballs, or pick up gourmet treats to enjoy later. Number 10. Explore the underground art of Stockholm Metro. Last but not least, don't miss the Stockholm Metro, often called the world's longest art gallery. Many of the stations are adorned with impressive artworks, making your daily commute a cultural experience. From historic museums to stunning natural beauty, Stockholm truly has it all. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to this incredible city today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels!